Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can align indent bullet points in Google Docs. So what you'll need to do is basically, let's say if you want to indent this one, just go to the format, then align and indent, and right here you can increase indent. So basically that's how you increase indent. And let's say if I increase indent on this one, so let's go format again, align and indent, increase indent. You can actually increase indent way more. So let's do that. Let's increase again, and that's how you get another bullet point. So that's how you increase indent, and the same, that's how you decrease it. So go to the format, align, indent, and you can decrease indent. Basically, if you use Ctrl and the bracket, as you can see, this one bracket, you'll basically have a hotkey to decrease indent, and you will not need to go right here again to the format. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you align bullet points in Google Docs. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.